how to develop a good habit and maintain it. 5 things you can do. So number 1, make it easy for yourself to do it. Say for example, you want to learn how to play the guitar. Alright. Now, you come home from work, you flop down on the sofa, your TV remote control is sitting next to you, your guitar is wrapped up in its case sitting in your bedroom. What are the chances that you are actually going into the bedroom, getting the guitar out, removing it from the case and then actually practicing? 0. Because the remote control is right there, you can switch on and sit and relax and enjoy your TV. Right? You want to play the guitar, what you need to do? Take that remote control, put it in a cupboard, lock it, take the key of that cupboard, put it in another cupboard, lock that. Then take that key and put it in your loft. And put your guitar without the case on the sofa. Now what will happen when you come home from work? It's too much trouble to get the key from the loft and open one cupboard and then remove that. It's just easier to play the guitar. So you will play the guitar. You don't want to have sugar? Don't have sugar in your house and blink it from your phone. Right? Okay. So you want to exercise? See what you can do to make it easier for yourself to exercise. One of the things you can do is, and this is the second point, surround yourself with people who are already doing it. You want to exercise and all the friends that you have just like chocolate pastry, there is very little chance that you are going to exercise. But if you have people who are regularly going to the gym, regularly swimming, regularly jogging, whatever, what will happen? They will invite, hey, chalna, saath mein aana, come on, come with me. And it will happen, it will be just obvious that you go out with them and the exercising happens. So, the first rule is make it easy. The second rule is surround yourself with people who are already doing what it is that you want to do. The third rule is attach the habit to something that you are already doing. So, for example, if you say, I want to meditate every day, I want to make it discipline that I meditate every day. What is it that you do every day? You brush your teeth? For sure, hopefully, right? For sure you are brushing your teeth every day. Okay, the moment you finish brushing your teeth, you sit down to meditate. So now you have attached the habit of meditation with an already existing habit, brushing your teeth. Then it becomes very easy. Because otherwise, when should I meditate? Should I meditate before lunch, before dinner, after this? There's no. Keep it simple. When I brush my teeth, the next thing I will do is meditate. So the third rule is what? Attach the habit that you want to develop to an already existing habit that you have. Number 4, reward yourself. When you do something that you are supposed to do some small thing that makes you feel good. Okay. Now this reward should be in line with the habit. You are exercising to lose weight, your reward cannot be chocolate pastry. But your reward definitely can be a new pair of shorts. Your reward definitely can be new pair of shoes. Your reward can definitely be membership in that little exclusive gym. You get what I'm saying? Depending on the habit that you wanting to cultivate, create a reward structure for yourself for doing what you said you will do. And the 5th thing that I will tell you is never miss more than 2 times. It is okay to miss. Sometimes life becomes crazy. It is fine. You decided I am going to exercise. All right, you exercise Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday something's happened and you didn't exercise. Don't sit there and beat yourself about it. Oh my God, I am useless. Simple thing like just, walking I did not do, and that's just waste of time. Better you actually get up and do it. Don't play with your mind. It is okay to miss once. It is okay to miss twice. So Thursday and Friday, 2 days you miss, it's fine, absolutely normal, no problems. But make it a point that you actually do it on Saturday. So never miss a new habit more than 2 times. See, think about it like this. Can you imagine your day without brushing your teeth? You can't, right? When the habit becomes ingrained in you, it will become like that. You cannot imagine your day without doing it. For me, I cannot imagine a day without meditation. It's just not possible for me to skip meditation. Right? So whatever habit it is that you want to develop, never miss it more than 2 times. Then it will stay with you. Okay? And typically it will take you about 3 to 4 months for the habit to be ingrained in you, so it becomes part of you. So be okay to have that time frame for yourself to get into it. Okay? Good. All the best.